If you want to use voice access on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first of all, we need to go to settings. Now over here, scroll all the way down and go to accessibility. Then we need to go to interaction and dexterity, and you should be able to find voice access in this place. So let's go here. We can turn it on by tapping on the switcher. We need to allow voice access to have full control of our device. And there we go. Now, in my case, I also have to download voice access, so press the download button in the bottom right corner. Download the update for the language as well. And let's wait for the download to be done. There we go. Now we can press continue. Agree. One more time. We can allow notifications. And then we have start listening button that we can enable and disable, so it looks like this. I think it is actually pretty convenient to have one, so I'm gonna keep this on. But also we have other ways, so we can tap the voice access notification in the notification tray. So over here you will have the voice access, so you can use it as well. You can activate with Google Assistant by saying, hey Google, voice access, and of course this button. I'm gonna use the button, so let's press done. We have the tutorial, which we can read, of course. We can also just close it in the top left corner by tapping on this X, but if you are using voice access for the first time, then it is recommended to go through this tutorial. And there you go. So we can tap on this button in order to start to make the phone listen to us. Over here, if you scroll down, we have some example commands that we can use. So for example, if I press this button and I say go home, I should jump to the home screen. Oh, we need to access the microphone as well. So let's select this option and let's press continue while using the app. Go home. And there we go. As you can see, this is how it works. You can pause it by going to the notification tray, for example, and that's pretty much it. This is how we can use voice access. Remember that you can still return to the tutorial. I believe you can say open tutorial after we activate voice access in order to go through it again if needed. Make sure to check out these commands as well. And we also have some settings here that you might want to use. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!